Hey folks, DJ at the Rabbit School Garage. Today we're going to be installing some new adjustable levers on the 2008 Harley Night Train FXSTB. And what I got were these Poison Scorpion black levers. They're adjustable. I have small hands, so it's hard to reach, and my fingertips just barely reach the levers. So we're going to see if these help any, and maybe do a little short review. I doubt we'll be able to go for a ride. It's going to rain here momentarily, but I will definitely do a review on them later on down the road. So stick with me while we install these. Alright, these are the new levers. These are the old ones. If you remember, I broke this one off. Not this one. My previous one off when I was on my trip to New York. And I replaced it with these. Well, same problem with these. They're just, you know, my fingertips barely grab it. So I'd rather have a little more purchase. So I'm going to put these on and see if they don't do a little better. Yeah, you can see how much it brings it back towards me. So let's go ahead and get those going. First thing I'm going to do is take the mirrors off because they're going to be in our way. There's a pin right there we got to pull out. So sorry if my head's in the way here. Let me go over here. There we go. Alright, on this side it's just a little snap ring, so we're going to get our pliers out and see if we can't take that off pretty simply. Looks like it comes off pretty easy. Yeah, I don't like these things. They're always a pain in the butt. There we go. Alright, get the ring off. Lay it on the ground there. This pin just pushes up and out. And wiggle the, and there it is. There's one. Oops. So now we just get this right back in the same spot. Just like that. And then these adjust in and out. Oh yeah, I get a much better purchase on that now. Much better. Okay. Now we just put our snap ring back on and we're done on this side. Well, and the mirror. Put the mirror back on. There we go. We are done on this side. And you can see I got much more grip now. Same thing over here. Take the mirror off. Got a wasp. Get out of here. And we need the pliers. Same thing, got a little pin here. Snap ring holding it on. The sun's right in my eyes. Got it off. Alright, pull the pin out. Now this one's a little harder because it's got the clutch cable attached to it. So what we're going to do is we need to save that little piece. This little piece pops out of this hole. We'll need to put that back in. Now, just like that. Then you got another pin that holds the clutch cable on. And we're going to do the same thing, just in reverse. I'm going to take this out and leave it out. I'll put it back when I get the clutch cable in place. Just like that. Get that taken care of. Alright, we're going to use a little attitude adjuster. We're going to use an attitude adjuster. There we go. There it goes. There we go. Now, those are a pain in the butt because you can't hold the bolt down while you're doing it. That's it. Yep, that's it. We're good. There's a wasp that keeps hanging around here. Come on. Alright. Oh yeah, much better. Much better. I got much more room now. Yeah, I can get much more grip on that now. That's it. Those are pretty quick and simple. Let me zoom out. Nice and sunny out. But if you notice now on a bike, they look a little bit different. Not much. They do say on the front of them right here, the Poison Scorpion. So I don't know. Much better though. I like it a lot better. Alright, this mirror back on and we're done. Whew, hot. Alright, there we go. I'll adjust the mirrors later. But there we go, we're installed. Alright, well that's it folks. Quick and easy install. I'll use them for a little bit and then I'll do a review video. But if you could, go ahead and hit that like button, that thumbs up. And if you aren't already, please subscribe to the channel. It helps a bunch and I would appreciate it. And I will catch you all on the next one.